Hello everyone, I welcome you all to our channel Let's Learn Automation. And in this session, we are going to see how to create the first Java project and even the first Java class. So after the installation of Java and Eclipse, when we are going to open the Eclipse at that time, we will get this screen. Okay, so this is the welcome screen, and here we are getting the menu options, but we are not going to use any one of these. Close this from here. This is the close button, so I close this. And here now we can see that this is the package explorer, then this is outline. I'll try to minimize this like this. So let's try to understand the structure of the project in a real time scenario. India is our country, and our country having the multiple state like Madhya Pradesh, then Himachal Pradesh, then Maharashtra, then Karnataka, and many more. So for now we'll take the example of four state, and these four state are the part of India. So India is a major thing which contain the various state like this. Then in the Maharashtra we have multiple district. If we are going to take the example of some of the district, so we can say that Mumbai, then Pune, and Nagpur. So there are multiple states, but we'll take the three example. And in Pune district, there are multiple areas, small areas are available. Shivaji Nagar, then Viman Nagar, then we can say Kharadi. So these are the areas, and in these areas there are some more smaller things. Like we can say that some societies are there, like society 1, then 2, then 3. So this we can compare this with our project structure. So India, we can say that a major thing. So this is the project. Then all these are the multiple states are available country like India. So these are the packages. Then in packages we have the multiple classes. So these are the classes. And in classes we have multiple methods. So these are the methods, and in methods we have multiple statement. So these are the distribution. So India, we can say that a major thing of project. Then we have the multiple state, Madhya Pradesh, Himachal Pradesh, Maharashtra, Karnataka. So in the one project we have multiple packages. Then in a state like Maharashtra we have multiple district like Mumbai, Pune, and Nagpur. So these are called as a classes. Then in a Pune district we have multiple areas like Shivaji Nagar, Viman Nagar, Kharadi. And in Viman Nagar we have multiple societies. So in the same way we have multiple methods and we have multiple statements too. There will be a project. That project contain various package. That package 1. So like this. Package 1, package 2, package 3. Then a single package can contain the multiple classes. So like class 1, then 2, then 3. Then a single class can contain the multiple methods. So I can say uh, method 1, 2, 3, 4. The one method can contain multiple statements. So the method can contain the multiple statements. So I can say statement 1, then 2, then 3. So this is the project structure. So one project can have the multiple packages. So like package 1, 2, and 3. Then one package can contain the multiple classes, class 1, class 2, class 3. Then one class can contain the multiple method like method 1, 2, 3, 4, and one method can contain the multiple statement like 1, 2, and 3. So this is the structure of the project which we are going to define or which we are going to create in a Eclipse. Here we have the option like create a Java project. Okay, so create a project or import a project. So what we need to do, we are going to create a Java project. So I will click on this create a Java project. So after clicking this, I am getting this pop-up and will give it like name like project one for now. And there is no need of any customization over here, and I will directly press on the finish button. After finish button, it says that create a module info.java. That is not required to us because we are going to create our own module. So automatic module creation is not required. We will press like don't create. Then here the project one is created. We can see that if I explore or extend this, then we can see the JRE system library. That is all the Java jar files which are required or which came from the Java installation are available over here, which are important for our project or our Java programs. So all these are available in the Java system library, and there is one source folder. Okay, and in this source folder, whatever the classes, whatever the program we are going to perform or we are going to write, all will be available or stored into this source file or source folder. Now we know that after creating the project, we need to create the package. So I will right click on on this project, click on new, and here I have multiple options. Okay, what I need to do, I just need to right click on the project, click on new, and here again I am getting the Java project and project, but we already created the project, so no need to create the project again. So here the second option I have the package. So first option is all I already selected or already done that part. So now I will go for the second option, that is package. So here says that create a Java package. So after clicking this, I got this window. So I will name it like package 1. So here she said that discourage package name by convention. Package name usually start with the lowercase. So if we start, even if we start with the higher case, uppercase, then there is no issue. So for now we will start with the uppercase, and no need to click on this because that is not required again, and I will directly click on finish. After finish, I got this package over here. So if I need to create the multiple package, then again I will right click, then again I will select on this and will give it name like package 2. Any name we can given, and click on finish. So we can create the multiple package over here. Even we can right click on a source folder, and again we need to select the package, then I will give it name like. So if I try to duplicate the name of the package which is given previously, so that will show the error package already exists. So we should use the unique package name every time. So this time I will give like a 3 and finish. So these are the three packages I've created. So I can right click on this project, even I can right click on the source folder too, then there is no problem. Then in package we need to create the classes. So in which package we need to create the class, package 1, package 2, or package 3. So for example, I need to create the classes in package 2. So I will right click on package 2, then click on new, and here first the first thing we have already done. Okay, package is already created. Now the third option is class, so I will click on class, and here I will give the name like demo 1. Okay, after it we will need to select this public static void main checkbox. Okay, that is required because every Java class or Java program need the main method to run. Means every when if you need to run the program, then main method is compulsory because main method is going to run our program. So that's why we need to check on this, by which the main method will automatically arrive or created in our class. Okay, so demo 1 is name given to the class, no other customization required. We just need to select this box and click on finish. After finishing, demo1 class is created and we can see the class over here. Okay, so now we can see this is the package 2 because we have created the class in package 2. As we right click and create the class under that, then demo1 is the name of the class, and this is what the main method which we select, like a checkbox which you are selected by which this main method arrived. Okay, then for example, if I need to create the class in package 1, then I just need to right click on package 1, click on new, and again select the class, and here I will like write down like program 1, and then again I will select this and finish. So in this way another class is created, but now this class belong to package 1, the previous class belong to package 2. So we need to decide where we need to create the classes. So we will create the packages as per our course is going on, or as per our session is going on. So we created the multiple package, or different package whenever any new feature or any new functionality we are going to learn. So at that time we'll create the new package and we'll divide our program in a systematic way. We have created the one class over here, one class over here, so we can create the multiple packages, as well as we can create the multiple classes in a package too, then there is no problem. But now if I create another package, another class in a package one, like I select the class and give it name like program 2, and now in this case I haven't select this one, I forgot to check on this, and I directly click on finish. Then you can see over here that we are getting the package is package 1, then public class program 2, and there is no main method. Here in a previous program we can see that the main method is automatically displayed or automatically arrived because we have checked on that checkbox, but in this case we haven't checked, so main method is not arrived and this program will not execute. In here we need to write down the main method by ourselves, so we need to write like public static void main, then string args, then like this. So now this is completed. So better whenever we are going to create the class, at that time we need to select that particular checkbox by which there is no need to write this manually. Okay, so these are the two things. For example, if we need to take a look on this, like no main method is available, and there is, this is the difference between those, like this is the class where main method is not available, and this is the class where main method is available. So let's close this. Okay, now let's close all those things. If I'm not able to see the package explorer, then what we need to do, we just need to go to windows, then perspective, sorry, show view. First of all we need to go to windows, then show view, and here we need to select the package explorer, so it will arrive here. So if anyone is not able to see the package explorer, that may be happen with some people, so they need to go to window, then show view, and here need to select the package explorer. That is only required, other things are not required for now. So this is the thing. Now if someone wants to change the theme, so they can go to like eclipse preferences, then in general appearance, and need to change the theme. So dark is my favorite because that will not affect our eyes. So apply, then apply and close. Now that become dark. So here it says that a restart is required for the theme change to take a full effect. Okay, so this is the view we can see after restart. Now let's open our project. So this is our project, then this is our source folder where all the packages and classes are available there, and these are the package 1, then package 2, and package 3. So here no class is present, so that's why it is in white color and it is in brown color. So this is what the program 1, and this is not required. Now after that what we have done until now. So we have seen in a diagram that we have created the country like India. Then this country contain the multiple states. So the multiple state can be, for example, we take the example of Maharashtra. Then Maharashtra state contain the multiple district like Mumbai, then Pune, then Nagpur. So we take the example of Pune. Then Pune contain the multiple areas. So multiple area in that we take the example of Viman Nagar. And in Viman Nagar there are multiple societies. So for example, we have take the example of society 1. So this is the structure which we have used as a generalized, but in a project what we have done, we have created the project 1, then where we have created the package 1, package 1. Then in package 1 we have created the program 1. In program 1 we have the main method. So this is done, this is done, then this is done, then this is also done. And now society needs to be uh, created, or here what we need to do, we need to create the statements. So while creating the statement we need to write down like system dot out, sorry, s should be capital, system dot out dot println. And here we have the, we need to put the brackets, and in brackets we need to write down the we need to put the double quote and semicolon. So this is the statement, and here we can write down anything like hello, like how are you. So this is the question. And if I try to execute this, so before execution we can save the program by clicking on this button or by pressing the Ctrl S. But whenever we execute the program automatically save. So if I try to execute, so I can execute the program by using this button. Okay, even I can execute this program by right clicking on this screen, and here we the option like run as Java application, because we are working on Java and we are creating the Java program. So just right click on the screen, our coding window, and click on run as Java application. After running we got this window like save, select resource to save, and always save resources before launching. So we need to click this, because if we click this then this pop-up will not arrive again, and it will automatically save whenever we try to run the program. So click on OK, and don't forget to click on or check this box. Click on OK, and here console is arrived and we got the output like hello, how are you. So in this way we can run the program. And like I said that we have the multiple society 1, then 2, then 3. Even so in the same way we can create the multiple statement. So like this, like here can say that hello, how are you, I am good, and dot. So if I execute now, if I execute by using this button, okay, by using this green button, bigger green button, so I will get hello, how are you, I am good. So in this way I can run the program. One more thing, like if I forget to click on checkbox of main, public static void main, and then I need to write down manually. So for that I have one shortcut. The shortcut like I just need to write down the main and press control and spacebar. After pressing control and spacebar I got the multiple options over here. Okay, but from that option the first option is like main method, and we need a method itself. So first option is the best for now, so I will select the first option, or I will enter, directly click on enter button, and here I am getting the main method. Again, what I need to do, just type main, then press the control and spacebar, and after getting multiple suggestion, the first suggestion is the best for now, so I will select this by using the enter button. So what we need to do, just select the whatever the best thing for us and click on enter. So we are getting the main method. And again, if I need to write down the system.out.println or statement, then just write the syso and press Ctrl and spacebar again. And here we got the two suggestion: syso out, sys out, and file system option. But here also we have the first option is suited for us. So I will select the first option and click on enter. And here I can write anything. I am anything we can write down like this. And if you need to run the program, then click on this or right click on the coding window. So this is our package explorer, okay, where we can see the various packages, various project, even various classes are present in our project or in our all the workspace, okay. And this is our coding window where we can write our code. And we can see these are the various different colors are available. We'll try to understand this all this thing in a next session where we'll try to understand the meaning of every word. But for now, here we can see that all are in a color, but these are in a we can say that black color or blurrish, because these two lines are commented. Commented mean to say that these will not take part into the execution. Like if I write down the CISO statement over here, and like I am a computer engineer and works in IT company, and if I execute, so I got the two lines. But from that line, if I comment the first line, okay, so now the color of this line and this line are same. So it means that this line is commented, and now when I run the program, this line will not take part into the execution. So if I run this program just by right clicking over it, run as Java application, then only a second line got executed because I have commented this line. So that's why only second line executed and this line doesn't exist. So we can comment any line which is not required to us, or which only give the information, or which is not required for our execution. For that we just need to use the double slash over here. And if you need to comment the multiple line, like like this is the line, these two line I need to comment on a single time. So just select the lines which I need to commented and press Ctrl and backslash. So all the lines got commented. Even you can see this line is also got commented. Actually there is no code, but still, because I have selected all three lines, that's why this line got also got commented. So commented lines will not take part in a program, otherwise this will show the error, because this line have no meaning. Okay, this is only information. So that's why we need to comment this line. Now we need to create the project after opening the screen. So the process somewhat little bit different. So in this time we need to select or click on file, then click on new, and here we have Java project or project. Again the same thing we need to do, which is done previously. So now this time I will not take this. If I will click on file new, and now if I select the project, not the Java project, okay, by mistake we have select the project, then we got the multiple option like general, Gradle, Java, Maven, plugin development example. That is not required for us now, but here we have the Java too. So I will click on this, and here I will select the Java project, then click on next. And again we got the same screen. So here I will write down like project 2 and click on finish. Nothing else. Press on don't create, and the project 2 is created. Again I can create the packages or in here. So this is already done. Click it here, package, then we'll give it name like package 1. Then again if I need to create the classes, then right click on that package, click on new, then this is done, package is done. Now there is a time of class, so I will create the class, then demo. And again this is required, don't forget, or otherwise we need to do manually. And this is our class. and let delete this. This is not required because this is the to do auto generated method, so that is not required because this is the commented line. So this is our what class, and again here we need to write down the CISO and write down anything and try to run it. If it run, then our Java installation is working properly. This is all about the first session. Here we just try to create the first ever Java project. How to create the project, how to create the package, how to create the class, what we need to take care, how to run the class. So all these things we have learned. In the next session, we will see detail what is the meaning of every word. Thank you.